In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your workflows with Asana AI Studio. 5 minutes. First, log into your Asana account so you're on your home or project dashboard. You'll get the most value by starting in a real project you already manage, so open a project where routine tasks or reviews tend to repeat. That will make it easier to see the impact of automation as you set it up. Inside the project, look to the top right for the Customize panel. This is where Asana keeps project-level enhancements like fields, forms, and most importantly for today, rules. Open Customize, then head into the Rules section. Rules are the engine of automation in Asana, and AI Studio extends what those rules can do. Select Add to create a new rule and choose Create with AI Studio. This opens a builder that follows a simple pattern you'll reuse again and again. When, check if, do this. Think of it like a sentence. When something happens, check if certain criteria are true, then do this action. You can bring AI into either the condition or the action, depending on what you want to achieve. Start with a clear trigger, like when a task moves to a specific section or when a custom field changes. Add conditions to narrow it down to only the tasks you want to automate. Then choose your actions. This is where AI Studio shines. It can analyze task content, generate or transform text, and update your project automatically. Be specific with your AI instructions. If you want a summary, say exactly what you need. For example, summarize feedback in bullet points with key themes and next steps. Mention length limits, tone, or format. The clearer your prompt, the more accurate and useful the output will be. Think about your workflow end to end. For intake, AI can clean up form responses and create consistent task titles. For planning, it can suggest priorities or draft scopes. During execution, it can turn comments into action items or rewrite descriptions for clarity. For reporting, it can compile progress summaries based on task status and updates. When your rule is complete, the automation can draft a content brief as subtasks, assign each subtask to the right teammates, and, if needed, generate translations or concise summaries to share with stakeholders. Before rolling it out broadly, test the rule on a sample task and review the AI's draft. You can always tweak prompts or conditions to improve accuracy. That's it. With a few thoughtful prompts and the when, check if, do this structure, Asana AI Studio can take manual work off your plate and keep your projects moving smoothly.